What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working inside the trunk of the BMW X6. For those of you who have a broken spare cover handle, this is going to be the video for you. So let's jump right into this repair. Alright, so this is going to be identical for the X5s and X6. This plastic handle, it's a two-piece unit. It goes right here inside the tailgate. I purchased this off eBay. I'll leave a link down below. It's not sponsored. I made the guy like a $10 offer and he accepted, so it's $10 plus tax. What you're going to need to do this today is you need the handle. It'll come with, it looks like, some extra springs and a couple Phillips screws and a screwdriver. So I'll give you a quick rundown. This is the bottom. So we're going to have to lift this tailgate up a bit, the cover here. We'll stick this underneath, and then this, which is the top where the handle's at, this will press in from the top. They will clip together, and then we'll use the two screws to hold it in place, and we'll check and make sure it works. So let's get this popped down real quick. All right, so as you can see, this is the cutout. You need to have the latch facing you, so it's going to actually face and lock into the body of the car. So we're going to put this on. There are two little grooves here. I'll show you those. So these are the two little grooves. You can see how those clip down inside of there. It does not stay, not till you put the top piece on, but that's how that's going to sit in there. So let's go ahead and fit the top piece. Again, the handle as well is going to fit this way. The best way to do this is these two connectors here. We're going to line those up with this, and the latch button is going to get lined up with this. You're going to hold this together, and we're going to snap this in place. Might have to use a little pressure, just like that. We're going to check underneath. There we go. We'll snap it in. So there's two snaps in here, two on the side. Just want to make sure it works then. So before I screw it together, I'm actually just going to push this down here. There it goes. And we lift up like that. Now we're going to take our two screws and we're going to put them in there. Alright, so again, this is supplied with the two screws. So we're going to take our screwdriver and we're just going to screw this together. Obviously, guys, it's a screw. Just needs to be tight. No torque spec, nothing like that. And there's two of them, one on each side. Alright. Those are nice and tight. Work the handle a couple times. And let's go ahead. And just like that, you have now replaced the rear handle on the trunk cover. So, any questions, leave them down below. Again, guys, I'll leave the link to the eBay listing that I bought it from. It came in like 3 days. Again, it said make offer. I made a $10 offer and he approved it. So I would recommend doing exactly the same. Doing this repair myself just saved me like $100 than going to the dealership. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and then subscribe to the channel so we can continue doing more of these DIY repairs. Thanks, guys. Take it easy. I'll see you on the next one.